This guy has to be responsible. It's just like the math worksheets you get in the first day of school. There's always these dank ass freaking dank as homework sheet. So now so beautiful. It's like one of my favorite markers. Let's use another easy one. There's nothing there. Yeah. Stay right beside your face. For a second. Anyways, yo, it's Yada. Oh my god, this marker is so fun. And then we have this place here. I'm so sorry for disturbing you. Anyways, so yeah, there is your marker.